With university tuition fees and living costs rising each year in Nigeria, it's no wonder that more and more students are questioning the value of university education. Popular as a problem, the majority of the young folks seem to have completely lost trust in the system because of the high unemployment rate that lurks in the country. Because of the high unemployment rate, the possibility of securing a decent job after school is almost non-existent. Hence the common phrase by young adults, "School na scam," a phrase to point out the fact that the system is not reliable. Furthermore, people are discovering that the skills needed in the Nigerian labor market aren't always applicable, so there's a sudden increase in the number of students looking to online courses for applicable skills. However, despite the seemingly steep investment, there are many reasons why getting a degree in Nigerian university is still worth it. And so if you're looking for a couple of reasons why you might have to get a university education in a tertiary institution, stay glued. Number 1. It creates more career opportunities and increases marketability. Considering the employment rate of Nigeria, one can admit that it is already pretty low. Now imagine the employment rate for a person with no degree or qualification whatsoever. You can agree that it's going to be quite rough. Say, a person with no degree even manages to get a job in a state somewhere, there are high chances that it's going to be a meager job where they pay peanuts, and so the options are quite limited. This is because Nigerian employers would rather pick a person with a degree over a person without any. Therefore, a bachelor's degree provides access to rewarding opportunities that would have been unavailable. However, one of its major perks is the work flexibility it offers to degree holders, the fact that one can easily be chosen for different job roles. That said, if you want to increase your chances of securing a career in Nigeria, it'll be best to get a university education. Number 2, it serves as a pathway to advancement. In a country of professionals, there is a systematic ranking that is widely accepted. For instance, depending on the level of education one has attained, you can either be a BSc, PhD, MBA, or master's holder. These rankings do not only show level of professionalism, but it determines the job level one can get. With degrees like Masters and PhD being at the top of the chain, the holders are most likely to earn way more than BSc holders, and so it's worth putting into consideration. Since this educational advancement is required in certain Nigerian jobs, it's simply not feasible for you to move up the chain without having a BSc first. It's mandatory to get one first, and there's simply no two ways about it. And so, even if you're uncertain of the career path to follow, you must bear in mind that earning a bachelor's degree would serve as a stepping stone if you get to consider it in the future. Number 3, you'll make more money. Having a degree gives an edge over those without one. Even though you can earn quite high without a degree in Nigeria, it's nothing compared to when you have a degree. This is evident in the lives of millionaires like Bill Gates and others. Seeing the relevance of a degree, they opted to get one, and they are continuously reaping the fruits of that decision. Number 4, you get access to specialized resources and knowledge. Since the Nigerian University serves as an institution of learning, it houses different kinds of resources and knowledge that might not be seen in any other part of the world. What makes the knowledge and resources special is the credibility they have attained after going through countless research over the years. What's more, these are research that have been carried out by experts in their field, confirming the authenticity. Number 5, opportunities to network. The importance of networking is so relevant in this context that it cannot be overemphasized. As they say, the people you meet daily all play a part in your story, either directly or indirectly, and what better place to meet this life-shaping network of people than in the university? Definitely, you must have observed life outside of a tertiary institution. Most times, it's basically everyone for themselves as everyone hustles to make ends meet. This makes it hard to establish honest connections. The Nigerian university education creates networking opportunities in different ways. For instance, the classes provides opportunity to connect with the institution's professors, peers, staff, and other personnel. Besides that, there are also societies, organizations, and clubs one can easily join to connect. These can all lead not only to valuable connections, but the chances of getting fixed in a favorable job role are quite high. Not to mention, people do find love in the university as well. Let's say you find your spouse at the university. Wouldn't that be a big bonus? Number 6, exposure to diverse perspectives. The university comprises people from different places all across the country. For instance, you get to meet the Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Efik, etc. Each and every one of them have a unique cultural background that makes them different. Also, with the different cultures comes different lifestyles, beliefs, and viewpoints, which is a good thing. The diversity helps one to know what to expect and also understand the country and the people in it. Being able to view things from different perspectives encourages the critical thinking you might need to solve a particular problem. Number 7. Access to extracurricular activities. Still emphasizing on the diversity of Nigeria, there's no doubt that there's ever been a shred of doubt as to whether one is threading the right career path or not. This is especially true considering the country's population. The large population makes the labor market to be quite competitive, and there might not be too much room for popular career choices. While for some, this has created several episodes of anxiety and depression, others were really pretty quick in figuring things out. This was only possible due to the extracurricular activities outside of the academic work. Apparently, by performing exceedingly well, a lot of people have made a name through extracurricular activities in the university. One of the major extracurricular activities that Nigerian students have consciously been looking up to is sports. These include sports like swimming, running, football, basketball, etc. Majority of Nigerian scholars continue to become pro athletes every now and then to represent the country in sports. Besides sports, there are several other extracurricular activities like debate, music, art, etc. These are provided by various organizations, clubs, and programs that the universities normally fund. So why not take advantage? Number 8. It paves way for personal growth and improved self-esteem. Personal growth is a gradual process, and it doesn't only come with various challenges, it comes with failures as well. In a country such as Nigeria, where perfection is needed to earn a living, there's not enough room for failures without repercussions. This isn't the case for the university. In the Nigerian university, learning new perspectives, skills, and knowledge, it's always alright to fail and get things together. This makes the environment a suitable place for personal growth. Naturally, with personal growth comes self-esteem. As one overcomes the social and intellectual challenges that come with the university, they are bound to build their confidence and self-esteem even more due to a sense of accomplishment and self-worth. Number 9. It provides a sense of community. The early stages of adulthood can be quite lonely, and it gets even lonelier when one thrives on standing alone. You might say that many people in the country actually do well this way, and that's true. However, that isn't always the case. As a matter of fact, many people in the country continue to develop different sorts of personality disorders because of the loneliness. With a community such as a university, it's different. The Nigerian university community doesn't only create a sense of belonging, but it creates healthy relationships that also help personal growth. Number 10. You get to be an inspiration to your family and friends. Since the beginning, people who underwent rudimentary training in Nigerian universities have always been regarded as the elites in society. Society made it that way, and it's not about to change anytime soon, regardless of the agitations by the young folks. This is why people in society look towards degree holders for inspiration to be better as well in society. The feeling is even stronger in the family. Imagine your younger sibling, mom or dad, looking up to you to come out with your hat on graduation day. Pretty intense, yeah? Even though mama and papa might not know everything you must have experienced in your school years, that sense of accomplishment they feel can alter the course of their lives. So last, school no be scam. The high unemployment rate and uncertainty is a result of the Nigerian failed system. Therefore, do not deprive yourself of the many benefits of university education. Do you believe Nigerian university education is still worth it? Please feel free to comment in the comment section. Also, hit the like button and subscribe for more inspiring content like this. Do have a nice day now, and bye.